Shri Nital Zaveri, CEO and MD of the company, is the internationally certified management consultant, certified examiner of RB and QA Business Excellence Award, and the certified lean champion. He was invited to Japan by Japan Productivity Council for study of Japan Quality Awards. He is recipient of the Excellence in Economic Development Award, Young Entrepreneur 2011 by Economic Development Forum. May I call upon Sri Nital Zaveri, MD and CEO of Concept Business Excellence Private Limited, for his welcome speech.
Everyone knows now that there is this onion price is going up, fuel prices are going up, and how to control this, and what is the Lean Six Sigma solution to this. So how a Lean or Six Sigma champion or person will solve this problem. So how do we solve this onion problem? Of course not by this way. Recently there was one sadhu found that there is a lot of wealth underneath in the ground actually, and our government started digging, and there was a recent cartoon which was published and which said we have found lot of onions underneath, and if we dig actually we'll find lot of onions actually. Definitely a Six Sigma expert will not solve problem like this. He will not go by the opinions and dreams that somebody had in at night about how to solve the problems. So how a Lean Six Sigma champion will solve the problem? I have just shown you small video.
Food that end up on the waste heap. Around 1.3 billion tons of food products are never eaten.
This is how Lean Six Sigma champion will basically define and measure the problem.
According to the UN, throws away an average of 100 kilograms of food each year.
So this is how I think Lean or Six Sigma champion will first of all define the problem, measure the problem, and analyze the problem. Solutions, of course, yet on the way, because but I know that a Lean Six Sigma champion definitely would look at the problem in a proper way. This is a very interesting cartoon which I found on the website of the Lean Guru, Mr. James Womack. On his website lean.org, he has put a recent cartoon. And we all know the story actually, that there is an optimist person who says that glass of water which is half filled. So optimist person says this glass is half full. And we all know the other story, that a pessimist person says that this glass is half empty. Now the question is what a lean person will say. Any guess? A lean person will say, why is the glass twice as big as it should be? So why have kept glass so big actually when it is not required to fill this much water? So Lean and Six Sigma both are very relevant tools even today also. And with a last small video, I would like to just most of the organizations today are in the rat race of increasing sales, but at the same time there are a lot of opportunities available in reducing the waste by using Lean and Six Sigma concept. So I feel and I trust that today all the case study presentations will throw much more light on the subject Lean Six Sigma, on how to reduce waste, how to improve quality, and I thank you everyone for this once again. Thank you very much.